Hello everyone. Before we begin, let me introduce myself. I am Professor Aasiya from J.A.T.rts Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. Today I am going to talk about the nanoparticles and their applications. First of all, I'll begin by introduction followed by the definition of nanoparticles. Then I'll discuss their applications in various fields like medication, environment, cosmetics, mechanical industries and energy harvesting. And finally, I'll conclude this session in short. Let's begin with understanding the term nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is a known field of research since last century. The term nanotechnology is presented by Nobel laureate Richard Feynman during his well-famous 1959 lecture, "There's Plenty of Room at the Bottom." Actually, nano is a Greek word which means dwarf or tiny, and a nanometer is 1 billionth of a meter. For better understanding of this scale, suppose if the diameter of Earth would be 1 meter, then 1 nanometer would be equal to the size of marble. Nanotechnology produces materials of various types at nanoscale. Now, how to define nanoparticles? A nanoparticle or ultrafine particle is usually defined as a particle of matter that have at least one dimension between 1 to 100 nanometer. The importance of these materials realized when researchers found that size can influence the physico-chemical properties of a substance. For example, consider this figure. All are gold nanoparticles. In figure A, color of solution changes due to variation in aspect ratio. In figure B, color changes due to different shell thickness, and in C, it is due to change in percentage gold concentration. Figure D shows red colored gold nanoparticles and inset is showing the 10 images of these nanoparticles. Now, after knowing these nanoparticles, let's move on their applications. Nanoparticles have very vast applications in our life. In fact, we unconsciously use them in our routine life like flour and kajal. Here are some of major uses of nanoparticles like application in medication. In medication, many nanoparticles are used. Amongst them, most important one is super paramagnetic iron oxide nanoparticles, which can be used in vivo, that means inside the body. In this figure, SPION means super paramagnetic iron oxide nanoparticles. These are used for drug delivery, cell targeting, imaging and tracking, separation, sensing, bacterial removal and toxin removal. These are especially used for MRI contrast enhancement, that means for visual differentiation. These are also used for tissue repair and immunoassay, detoxification of body fluid, hypothermia. Hypothermia means that they increase the local temperature to destroy cancerous cells, and also used for drug delivery. Nowadays, these nanoparticles are used as nanomachines for drug delivery. Next important application is in saving the environment. In this, first one is cleaning up oil spills. Oil spills are catastrophic for marine life, and for cleaning them, photocatalytic copper tungsten oxide nanoparticles are used which break down oil into biodegradable compounds. These nanoparticles are activated by sunlight and can work in water. Second application in environment is generating less pollution during in manufacture of materials. In production of propylene oxide from propylene, silver nanoclusters are used as catalyst which reduces polluting byproducts. Third application in environment is in reducing the cost of fuel cells. In fuel cells, platinum electrodes are used, and as we all know, platinum is costly. So by using platinum nanoparticles, 80% less platinum is used. Next one is in producing solar cells that generate electricity at competitive cost. For this purpose, silicon nanowires are used which have high efficiency and low cost. For pollution control, iron nanoparticles can be used for cleaning up organic chemicals polluting groundwater. Another major applications of nanoparticles is in cosmetics. Sunscreens have zinc oxide nanoparticles which block UV rays, Skin creams have liposomes, nanoparticles, and skincare lotions consist of nano emulsions which can penetrate deeper in skin. Skincare lotions have nutrients encapsulated in nanoparticles suspended in a liquid, making up a nanoemulsion. This allows nanoparticles to penetrate deeper in the skin. Lotions use nanoparticles called ethosomes to deliver nutrients that promote hair growth. Next application is in mechanical industries. In mechanical industries, mechanically stronger devices are constructed by embedding nanoparticles in metal and polymer matrix, which increases the mechanical strength. Nanoparticles are also used for coatings and as lubricants and adhesives. In coatings, they improve toughness and wear resistance. Nanoparticles used in lubricants have low friction, good sliding and delamination properties, while as adhesives they are working as nanofillers allows homogeneous stress distribution between bonded surface. In energy harvesting, nanoparticles are used for electrochemical CO2 reduction, energy storage at nanoscale level, photoelectrochemical water splitting and in nanogenerators. Next very interesting application of nanoparticles is in the form of quantum dots. Graphene quantum dots doped with nitrogens are used as catalysts to make hydrocarbons from CO2. Quantum dots are used to produce miniature lasers for use in communication devices which have high speed data transfer with low power consumption. Graphene quantum dots are used in humidity and pressure sensors, while magnetic quantum dots are used in spintronic devices such as memory chips. Let's summarize this session. In this session, we have seen that nanoparticles have ranges from 1 to 100 nanometer. Due to their tiny size, nanoparticles have large surface area which make them suitable candidate for various applications. They have ability to deliver drugs in the optimum dosage range which results in increased therapeutic efficiency of the drugs, weakened side effect and improved patient compliance. Nanoparticles display physicochemical characteristics that induce unique electrical, mechanical, optical, and imaging properties that are extremely looked for in certain applications within the medical, commercial, and ecological sectors. Thanks for watching.